Khanna is a bustling city in Punjab, known for its vibrant energy and dynamic atmosphere. Khanna is a place where tradition meets modernity. The streets are always alive with activity, from the early morning vendors setting up their stalls to the late-night shoppers looking for the best deals. The marketplace in Khanna is a sensory overload, with the aroma of spices, the vibrant colors of textiles, and the sounds of haggling filling the air. It's a city that never sleeps, always buzzing with life and energy. It's located in the Ludhiana district, one of the most significant regions in Punjab. Ludhiana is not just an administrative division, it's a hub of economic activity and cultural richness. The district is known for its industrial prowess, particularly in textiles and manufacturing. The streets of Ludhiana are a testament to its economic vitality, with bustling markets, busy factories, and a constant flow of goods and people. It's a place where tradition and progress go hand in hand, creating a unique blend of old-world charm and modern dynamism. This region is known as the Granary of India, a title it has earned due to its vast and fertile agricultural lands. The expansive wheat fields stretch as far as the eye can see, a golden sea of grain that feeds millions. The farmers here are the backbone of India's agricultural sector, working tirelessly to cultivate the land and produce the food that sustains the nation. Their dedication and hard work are evident in the lush green fields and the bountiful harvests that come from this region. Khanna is an important part of this agricultural heartland. The city's economy is deeply intertwined with farming, and you can see this connection in the daily lives of its residents. Tractors plough the fields and farmers work tirelessly to harvest their crops. The agricultural practices here are a blend of traditional methods and modern technology, ensuring that the land remains productive and sustainable. Khanna's role in Punjab's agricultural success cannot be overstated. It is a vital cog in the machinery that keeps the region's economy running smoothly. The city is also known for its vibrant culture. Festivals and celebrations are a regular part of life in Khanna, with the streets coming alive with music, dance and colour. Traditional Punjabi dance performances are a sight to behold, with dancers dressed in vibrant costumes moving to the rhythmic beats of the dhol. These cultural events are not just entertainment, they are a way for the community to come together, celebrate their heritage, and pass on their traditions to the next generation. The cultural richness of Khanna is a testament to the city's deep-rooted traditions and its commitment to preserving its heritage. The people of Khanna are warm and welcoming. Hospitality is a way of life here, and visitors are often struck by the friendliness and generosity of the locals. Family gatherings are a common sight, with multiple generations coming together to share meals, stories, and laughter. The sense of community is strong, and it's this close-knit social fabric that makes Khanna such a special place. Whether you're a visitor or a resident, you're always made to feel like part of the family in Khanna. Khanna is a blend of old and new. The cityscape is a fascinating mix of historic buildings and modern structures, reflecting its rich history and its forward-looking spirit. Traditional Punjabi homes, with their intricate designs and courtyards, stand alongside new developments and modern infrastructure. This juxtaposition of the old and the new creates a unique urban landscape that tells the story of Khanna's evolution over the years. It's a city that honors its past while embracing the future, making it a dynamic and ever-changing place. You can see traditional practices alongside modern advancements. In the fields, farmers use a mix of age-old techniques and cutting-edge technology to cultivate their crops. Traditional tools are still in use, but they are often complemented by modern machinery that increases efficiency and productivity. This blend of the old and the new is a hallmark of Khanna's approach to agriculture, ensuring that the region remains at the forefront of farming innovation while staying true to its roots. The city is a testament to Punjab's rich heritage. Historic monuments and traditional Punjabi architecture are scattered throughout Khanna, each telling a story of the region's past. These structures are not just relics, they are living pieces of history that continue to shape the identity of the city. Walking through Khanna, you can feel the weight of history and the pride of a community that has preserved its cultural legacy for generations. It's a place where the past is always present, reminding us of the rich tapestry of Punjab's history. It is also a symbol of progress and growth. New buildings and infrastructure projects are constantly springing up, reflecting Khanna's dynamic and forward-thinking spirit. The city is not content to rest on its laurels. It is always looking to the future, seeking new ways to grow and improve. This spirit of progress is evident in the construction sites and new developments that dot the landscape, signaling a bright and prosperous future for Khanna. It's a city that embodies the best of both worlds, a deep respect for its heritage and an unwavering commitment to progress. Khanna is surrounded by fertile land. This region, located in the heart of Punjab, is known for its agricultural prowess. The landscape is a patchwork of green fields stretching as far as the eye can see, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers. The soil here is incredibly rich and perfect for agriculture. Its dark, loamy texture is ideal for growing a wide variety of crops. Farmers often test the soil quality to ensure it has the right nutrients to support healthy plant growth. This attention to detail is what makes Khanna's produce so exceptional. Farmers in Khanna grow a variety of crops. From staple grains to cash crops, the diversity is impressive. You can see fields of wheat, rice, sugarcane, maize, and cotton, each contributing to the region's agricultural wealth. The farmers use traditional knowledge combined with modern techniques to maximize their yield. Wheat and rice are the main crops. These staples are essential not just for the local community, but for the entire nation. The golden wheat fields and lush green rice paddies are a common sight, symbolizing the abundance of this fertile land. You can also find fields of sugarcane, maize, and cotton. These crops are crucial for the local economy, providing raw materials for various industries. Sugarcane is used for producing sugar and jaggery. Maize is a versatile crop used in many food products, and cotton is essential for the textile industry. The canal system plays a crucial role in Khanna's agriculture. These canals, fed by the rivers, ensure that the fields receive a steady supply of water. This irrigation system is vital, especially during the dry seasons, to keep the crops healthy and thriving. Canals bring water from the rivers to the fields. This intricate network of waterways is a lifeline for the farmers. It allows them to cultivate their crops even in times of low rainfall, ensuring that the fields remain fertile and productive throughout the year. This ensures a good supply of water for irrigation. Modern irrigation techniques, such as sprinklers and drip systems, are also used to optimize water usage. These methods help in conserving water while ensuring that the crops get the necessary hydration. The farmers of Khanna work hard to feed the nation. Their dedication and relentless effort are evident in the bountiful harvests. From planting to harvesting, every step is a labor of love. These farmers are the backbone of the community, ensuring that there is always food on the table for everyone. The Sutlej River flows near Khanna. It is a lifeline for the region. The river provides water for drinking and irrigation. It also supports a diverse ecosystem. Many species of fish thrive in its waters. The riverbanks are home to various birds. You can spot kingfishers, herons, and ducks. The Sutlej is not just a river, it is a symbol of life and abundance. Khanna is blessed with a variety of flora and fauna. Trees like neem, mango, and shisham dot the landscape. These trees provide shade during the hot summer months. They also offer a habitat for many creatures. Birdwatchers can enjoy spotting different species. Peacocks, parrots, and sparrows are common sights. The region is also home to animals like jackals, foxes, and wild boars. Section 5. The rhythm of the seasons. Khanna experiences a typical North Indian climate. Summers are hot, with temperatures soaring high. Monsoons bring relief from the heat. The rainy season transforms the landscape into a lush green paradise. Winters are cool and pleasant. The weather is perfect for enjoying outdoor activities. Each season brings its own beauty to Khanna. Section 6. Sowing the seeds of sustainability. Khanna is taking steps towards sustainable development. Organic farming is gaining popularity. Farmers are realizing the benefits of natural farming methods. This shift towards sustainability is promising. The city is also promoting eco-friendly initiatives. Efforts are being made to reduce pollution. There is a growing awareness about the importance of protecting the environment. Section 7. Exploring nature's bounty. In this section, we will take you on a journey through some of the most breathtaking natural attractions near Khanna. From lush green landscapes to panoramic views, nature's bounty is truly mesmerizing. There are many natural attractions near Khanna. The region is blessed with an abundance of scenic beauty, offering a perfect escape for nature lovers. Whether you are looking for a peaceful retreat or an adventurous hike, the nature trails near Khanna have something for everyone. The trails wind through dense forests, open meadows, and along serene rivers, providing a diverse range of experiences for hikers and nature enthusiasts alike. The Nanda Devi National Park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes. The park is home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature photographers and wildlife watchers. The park's rugged terrain and high-altitude meadows offer a unique habitat for many rare and endangered species. It's home to snow leopards, Himalayan black bears, and blue sheep. These majestic creatures roam freely in their natural habitat, offering visitors a rare glimpse into their lives. The sight of a snow leopard stealthily moving through the snow or a Himalayan black bear foraging for food is truly awe-inspiring. The blue sheep, with their striking blue-grey coats, add to the park's unique wildlife experience. Sukna Lake in Chandigarh is a popular spot for boating and birdwatching. This man-made reservoir, nestled at the foothills of the Shivalik range, offers a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The lake is surrounded by lush greenery, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely boat ride or a peaceful walk along its shores. Birdwatchers can enjoy spotting a variety of migratory birds that visit the lake, adding to its charm. The rural areas around Khanna offer a glimpse into the simple life. These villages, with their traditional houses and farmlands, reflect the region's rich cultural heritage. Visitors can experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people who are always eager to share their way of life. The rural landscapes, with their rolling fields and quaint village scenes, provide a stark contrast to the urban environment, offering a refreshing change of pace. You can experience the beauty of villages and farmlands. The expansive farmlands, with their neatly planted crops and vibrant colours, are a sight to behold. The villages, with their traditional architecture and serene surroundings, offer a peaceful retreat from the chaos of city life. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll through the fields or simply soaking in the tranquil atmosphere, the rural areas around Khanna provide a perfect escape. These places provide a welcome escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The relaxing countryside views, with their rolling hills and open skies, offer a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find in the city. Whether you are looking to unwind and relax or explore and discover, the natural attractions near Khanna have something for everyone. So take a break from your busy life and immerse yourself in nature's bounty. And Section 8, Khanna, a rural tapestry. Khanna is a unique blend of rural and urban life. It's a city with strong agricultural roots. The people of Khanna are deeply connected to nature. They understand the importance of preserving their heritage. Khanna is a city with a heart of gold. It's a place where tradition meets progress. It's a city that embodies the spirit of Punjab. Khanna is truly an agricultural gem.